Picture this. It's Friday. Trucks are idling in the yard because the route broke down midweek, and payroll is due Monday. You have crews to pay and no reliable revenue mine to point to. That's the feast or famine problem most mobile fleet owners live with, and it's brutal for scaling.
Welcome to the Veteran Entrepreneur Network. I'm Cameron Burrell, Army engineer veteran, entrepreneur, and fleet services operator. Today, I'm walking you through a practical playbook to move from unpredictable work to predictable revenue with subscription engines, simple recurring packages, route rules that protect capacity, billing language that keeps cash moving, and a sales sequence you can run this week.
Quick promise. After this episode, you'll have concrete steps, tier templates, unit economics checks, a small zone routing plan, contract guardrails, and a one-page pilot ROI you can use in outreach. No fluff. Real steps you can test in the next 7 days.
Start with package design. Keep it tight. 3 tiers. Basic, standard, premium. But don't stop there.
Make it stopwatch simple. A technician should be able to read the job and know the stopwatch for that stop. For example, exterior wash, 15 minutes. Materials, detergent X, rinse. Inspect brakes, 5 minutes. Photo 4 angles. Time box deliverables, list materials, and price add-ons as fixed line items so the field can say yes without guessing.
Don't overload the menu. Basic covers essential recurring work, weekly or bi-weekly exterior wash or debris removal. Standard bundles targeted services like windows and interior wipes. Premium includes priority scheduling, monthly inspections, or minor preventive tasks.
Now, routes, your real leverage. If subscriptions make demand predictable, routing turns that predictability into profit.
Batch recurring stops geographically and assigned fixed days. Example, Zone A on Mondays and Thursdays, Zone B on Tuesdays and Fridays. Limit a crew to 8 to 12 stops per day based on average stop time. Start with one zone and test capacity before you expand.
Some quick heuristics that save headaches. Never schedule more than 2 long stops back-to-back. Always keep a buffer slot for unexpected overruns. And lock recurring customers to a fixed day so planners and customers both know what to expect. Billing and churn prevention are where owners trip up most. Defaults win. Make autopay the default and require a small initial deposit, 1 invoice or half a month, especially for new pilots.
Use simple contract language focused on frequency, deliverables, and payment terms. Include 2 protective clauses, an auto invoice with a short grace period and late fee, and the right to pause services if receivables exceed a set threshold. Be transparent. Clarity reduces disputes and saves retention.
Let's get into numbers. Do a unit economics check for every package. Start with average crew time per stop, service plus travel. Multiply by crew hourly cost. Add materials and a fixed cost allocation, insurance, vehicle depreciation, admin. That gives you a break-even cost per stop. Quick example, so this isn't abstract. Imagine a 10-stop route. Average service time 20 minutes, travel per stop 10 minutes, so 30 minutes total per stop. Crew cost is $40 an hour. That means labor per stop is $20. Add materials at $3 per stop and allocate $5 per stop for fixed costs. Total cost per stop, about $28. A 10-stop weekly run costs $280. Over a month, about 4.3 weeks, that's roughly $1,200 in variable plus allocated fixed costs. If you price the subscription so the monthly revenue is $1,600 for that route, you're at roughly a 25% gross margin, about $400 profit per month on that route. Multiply that by 5 comparable zones, and you add $2,000 a month in predictable margin. That's real cash flow you can plan payroll and growth around.
2 practical notes. Be conservative on assumed frequency. Promising weekly service you can't deliver destroys margin. And use guardrails, minimum term pilots, clear upgrade and downgrade paths, and modest volume discounts for multi-site commitments.
Curious, sales is simple but methodical. Start with a low-risk pilot, 30 to 90 days,
and promise one measurable win: fewer breakdowns, less admin time, or cleaner equipment that reduces maintenance. Show up, perform, document, and quantify the result.
Bring both operations and finance into the conversation. Collect before and after photos, completion rates, and time per stop metrics. Convert that data into a one-page ROI note for decision makers. If you want that one-page pilot ROI template and a short sales script, grab it now at vetbizmedia.com/fleetwash. Use it on your first outreach.
Tooling doesn't need to be expensive. Use a simple route planner, Stripe or Square for recurring billing, a lightweight CRM to track pilots and renewal dates, and a shared SOP folder with checklist templates and photo fields. If you can trigger invoicing from service completion, do it. Automation kills manual bottlenecks.
Here's a short launch checklist you can use this week. 1. Build 3 tiers with time-boxed deliverables. 2. Run a unit economics sheet for each tier. 3. Pick a single zone, assign fixed days, and staff to capacity. 4. Set up auto-pay defaults and a 30-day cancellation window. 5. Offer a 30 to 90-day pilot with clear KPIs and the one-page ROI note. 6. Use simple digital billing and a route planner. Start small, measure, iterate.
Will some customers resist subscriptions? Sure. That's why pilots are short and low risk. Many customers will trade a modest discount and predictable scheduling for less administrative hassle. Your job is to remove friction and make the pilot an easy yes. To recap, design tidy, repeatable packages, batch routes by zone, and protect capacity. Lock in cash flow with auto-pay and clear terms. Price with unit economics and guardrails, and sell by proving value with short pilots. Those steps turn reactive work into a predictable engine that funds growth and steadies operations.
If you're ready to act, start a single-zone pilot this week and use the one-page pilot ROI worksheet at vetbizmedia.com/fleetwash. It includes package templates, an SOP stop checklist, a unit economic spreadsheet, and sales scripts to get you across the line.
If this episode helped, subscribe to the Veteran Entrepreneur Network, leave a review, and share it with another entrepreneur, veteran, owner-operator, or business professional. Keep building, keep learning, keep moving forward. We'll see you on the next episode.